Hello friends, today I'll be talking about Introduction to Embedded Systems authored by Shibu KV and published by McGraw-Hill Book Review. So let's start with the introduction. Why is this book important? So in V2, fourth semester B computer science students have to study a subject on embedded systems. And what is the main thing is that this book is the prescribed textbook of V2. Hence, if you write answers from this book in the main exam, will get good marks, and the invigilator will find it easy to correct as well. Now, nextly, where to get this book? You get it on Amazon, Flipkart, or Sapna. What is the price? About 500 to 600. Now, let's come to the body part. What are the advantages and what are the disadvantages? Let's start with the advantages part. This book is designed in a very clean format, means there are various subdivisions and everything is given so that the reader can understand it very clearly. The words used here are mainly of simple English, not high level one. There are good diagrams also, so you can understand what's happening. As you can see, chapter summary is the illustrations, the objective and review questions, lab assignments. So this book is very effective in solved examples. Before starting a chapter, will be given learning objectives, so you know what are you going to learn in this. So it happens that if you get to know in prior means what should be the result after doing a particular task, then you will feel motivated to do it, and hence this book is designed in such a way. This book is also updated in a way to support the latest technology about what all is happening nowadays. You can see our Apple smartwatch, all things. That is good, I would say. And as I already told before, this is the prescribed textbook of V2. So if you write answers from here with beautiful diagrams, you're gonna get easily good marks, because if the invigilator has found out that you know the concept and with the diagrams, then you'll surely get it. Other than this, I would say this book is very perfect. Now let's come to the main discussion in the body part. There is the disadvantages. What are the disadvantages over here? As we all know, we are of computer science students, and computer science students in general don't like electronics. Yes, there are some people say they're scared of electronics just because of its hard technical terms and difficult diagrams. You can see over here, yeah. Although we study basic electronics in a first year as well, we don't want to face it again. That's a general kind of desire, but we have to learn it because electronics is an integral part of computers. For understanding or programming how a computer works, you must also understand what's inside that keyboard or that motherboard. So this is very important from this kind of subject. An embedded system provides a good overview for you about what all happens in the industry, like in cars, how embedded systems are used, in refrigerators, how embedded systems are used, in washing machine, how they're used, the basic programming knowledge behind that. So in that kind of sense, yeah, I understand some technical terms might be a bit difficult to understand, and some diagrams might also be feel scary, but if you go in depth of that, you're going to love the subject. Yes. And nextly, I would like to say over here that the review questions answers are not given. Yeah, if you want to solve it, however it's optional, then it's not given. That's the another disadvantages. Other than that, I would say this book is really sufficient, and it is very useful as well. You will understand things in a very great detailed manner, which is needed if you want to enter the embedded system industry or you want to pursue higher education in this subject. So what are my personal suggestions? Yeah, one would like to hear from an experienced person who is studying this subject. What is his personal suggestions? I would like to say that this book is useful for people who loves the subject and who wants to study in great detail about it. It is not meant for people who just want to pass or don't want to go in great detail and want shortcut ways. As a result, I would say if you are a VTU student and you want a knowledge and marks as well, please go to this book. This book will be very good for you to understand the concepts, and at the end you can always practice the review questions or the objective types so that you can learn it. I know it might be a bit expensive as well, but you can get it from the library or you can get it second hand as well. So this is it from my side. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask me in the comment section, and please like the video. Thank you.